Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this super rad 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392 in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch by 7.5-inch beadlock capable wheels, power heated mirrors, body color fender flares, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 2,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, ALPINE premium audio system, off-road plus mode, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One Touch power top, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PT4000.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.